I fuck up too.
I ain't ashamed to talk about myself. I fuck up too sometimes. Anyway, check this out. So, we all have anger problems sometimes. Y'all remember that movie with, what's the dude name? Jim Carrey. What the fuck was it called? Pet Detective, the second one. You know, with, they was in like Africa or some shit, Swahili, whatever the fuck they was at. And, he got them motherfucking, they threw them spears and they went in his leg and shit. And he was like, you know what I mean? Anyway, this ain't about that. So, I know when this was probably about, I don't know, it was a while ago. Anyway, cooking some waffles and them things smelled good. Man, it smells so good. I think it was blueberry. Got the little butter in all the squares. It's melted just right. Pour the syrup on it. I can taste them now. So I goes to eat them. I take them to sit down. And I don't know what was wrong with it. I was too strong or something, but the plate was weak or something. I cut into it the first motherfucking slice, and the whole plate flipped upside down on my pants. I was so mad. I mean, I was angry. I was furious. Flipped on my pants. Both waffles on both pants legs. Like, what the hell? I was like, I was so mad. Picked them shits up and I threw them against the wall. Fuck them waffles. I ain't ate waffles since then. What the hell? Crazy. Anyway, like I said, I fuck up too. Anyway, it's fucking, man.